Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'm Caroline. Okay, so today I have a grocery haul for you guys. This is my weekly grocery haul. I do groceries pretty much on the weekend for Mondays. If not, I pick up on Mondays. Today's Monday. We had tournaments all weekend, so I didn't have time to do it on Sunday. But we just really needed milk. I told you guys before, my kids cannot live without milk. Okay, they have cereal for breakfast, lunch, and dinner if I let them. So, anyways, let's get to it. I have lunch. I had a lot of cooking stuff. This is more snacks and just refill of things that we needed. Excuse my air fryer back there. I'm making my, there you go. I'm making my lunch. Anyways, so let's get started. I'm gonna show you guys the lunch stuff that I give for the boys, just snacks and just basically junk food that we need to refill on. And then I do have some dinner ideas, but I have most of the things that I already need for that. But I'll let you guys know what I'm planning for this week. Anyways, let's get to it. Okay, so starting on this side, we have a lot of lunch stuff. I used to buy, what's it called? Capri Suns. But my kids like these and they're equally as unhealthy and these are way cheaper. So we do Kool-Aid now. My kids don't complain. My pockets don't complain. So it's good. One of these boxes is $1.88 and they literally, I'm a big advocate of not giving my kids juice unless they're having a meal. And even still, they can have 1 cup of juice and your second one has to be water. So I'm really strict. I make them drink a lot of water. I'm constantly, guys, you need water, especially because they play sports. Their bodies literally need the water. So they get a juice. Sometimes my Chatty, they're twins, but the younger one of the twins, he loves milk. So at school, he'll leave his Kool-Aid in his lunchbox and go ask for a milk. Like, he loves milk, so that makes me happy. Or they'll drink their water and stuff. So, but I do give them this just so they can have a little bit of energy because the sugar sometimes is good for them. Anyway, so we get 2 of these all the time. Chatty likes to sneak one here and there, but they've been liking these turkey and cheddar packs. They're so weird. If I buy them the one that has like the drink attached and like a candy, they think that it's different and they don't want them. Oh, that just fell. But these, I don't know, they like these. So, and my kids are weird about, listen, my kids are weird, but they like these. So these are lazy lunch days for me. If I'm running late or something, they get this. Like today, they got one of these. These were a substitution. I originally asked for the Gushers. It's like it's a new sour thing for Gushers, but they replaced it with these. It's fine. It's just a little surprise if they do something good. I like to have like candy in my pantry. So if they do get a good grade or something, I could just say, oh, look what I got for you. So I like to get that. Those are $1. This is our favorite yogurt. Caleb really loves it. He eats it with oatmeal, so that's for him. And then we needed some eggs, our cheese. This is the only cheese that my kids will eat. They won't have sliced cheese. I don't know why. They're just weird. My husband's like that too. I think they learned it from him. So this is the only cheese that they'll eat. So I buy this practically every week. You guys know this is my newest obsession. I love this. It's so good. Yeah, that's all I'm going to say about that. Guys, these muffins. OMG. Amazing. They come out so, okay, this girl, on YouTube, her YouTube name is She's in Her Apron. She made a video trying all different kinds of blueberry muffins, like all the boxed ones. And this one, I want to say this one is the one that won. If not, it was second place. But I can't remember which one the first place one was. But I tried this one and we've been obsessed. So I got this. I've been getting this pretty much every week. I make them and they're gone within the week. So that's good. This is my husband's favorite snack. I literally hide it from him like a child because he will grab 4 or 5 packs in one sitting, hide, go eat it in the room, and then I find the wrappers everywhere. But I do get these for my boys for the little snack, for their lunches. And we just needed some broccoli because everyone loves. I make this. It's so easy, guys. Okay, so this is the steam bag. You put in the microwave for 5 minutes. But after I steam it, that it's fully cooked, I put it in a pot with minced garlic and a bunch of butter. Guys, it tastes amazing. It kind of tastes like the, I don't know, like the Asian food. I don't know. It just tastes like Chinese food. I don't know. It's really, really good. You guys should try it. Put it in the microwave for 5 minutes. It's fully cooked. You put it in a pan, put butter, put minced garlic, and you will thank me. Cheez-Its, because my son loves these things. Guys, this is my favorite ice cream. I love it so much. They have different kinds of Rocky Road, but this one is the best. It has the most almonds, the most marshmallows than any other brand. So this one is the best. These are croissants. My kids are loving croissants lately, so I got one of these. I always have these on hand because sometimes I just feel like eating them, and they go, I only buy 2. I know that's weird, but I always get 2 and they last a good, I think I still have some from last week, but I just wanted to stock up on that. And then this is my husband's favorite juice. Guys, this is literally the only juice that I buy in my house. 2 of these and 1 of these, and I buy milk. That is it. That's what I mean about like juices. That's for school, and then this is all I buy. If they go through this, they know that's it. So I tell them, if you drink it all, too bad. I'm not buying any more till next week, because if I buy more, they'll drink more. So I just buy this, and if we're done with juice, that means it's water time. So my husband gets mad when I say that, but it's true. That's what I do. He's like, I'll go buy my own juice. I'm like, good luck with that, because you're not going to the store. Okay, and then just milk. We always buy 2%. And then these are a staple in our house. They're so delicious. I make them in the air fryer, and so good. So it's a good like snack or a lunch or whatever. The kids love it too. And my kids really like these. These are like for after dinner. I bribe them, if you eat, you can have an ice cream sandwich. So that's for that. This is our favorite frozen pizza. When I make this, everyone is like, I want some, I want some. So anyways, these are good. These are our favorite. Guys, have you ever tried these? If not, you have to try them. These are the only waffles that my kids will eat now, because I give them regular ones and they're like, I don't care for that. But Chatty loves this for the mornings, and he's my skinny one. So I have to like, don't tell him I said that. He'll get mad if I call him skinny, but he has abs, y'all. Okay. My baby is strong, but he is on the thinner side. So for when he has a good breakfast, I get happy, because, you know, I need to put some meat on them bones. Okay, and then these are for dinner. These are the thin chops. I really like thin chops. I do not like the thick pork chops. They're, I like to eat them at restaurants, but when I make them, they don't taste right. So I really like these. They're good to fry. They're good to, you can put them in the air fryer. I mean, you could do a million things with them. I make them in a lot of different ways. I'm working on a what's for dinner video, so you guys stay tuned for that. But that's for one of our dinners. And then I get, these are the boneless, the country style ribs. And I buy 2 of them because everyone loves the way I make them. I'm working on a crock pot video as well that you guys can look forward to. But those ribs came out really good too. So I make them 2 different ways. I've shared how I make them a different way before in my what's for dinner, so you guys can go check that out. But this one, the crock pot one, you guys are really gonna love. And then I'm actually making spaghetti today because I'm running late. I had an appointment, so we're having spaghetti today, so I'll use that. I bought a cucumber for a salad, some lettuce for the salad. These I actually bought a week ago. Not a week ago, I'm lying. This past Friday for our tournament, but the kids never ate it and it was still in my trunk, so I took it out. But this one I just bought. I don't think we've ever had birthday cake flavor one. I want to say we haven't. The kids might correct me, but They love anything birthday cake, so I think that they'll really enjoy this. So we got that. I can put a couple for their lunches, maybe like 2 of them with their lunchbox. That'll make them happy. And then I got some lemons, some oranges. They like to eat these for school. Gosh, these are really big. I don't think I ordered the right one. Whatever, it's fine. They like to have that for breakfast too. And then I normally use Mrs. Meyer's, what's it called? Dish detergent. But I don't know. I feel like it's not degreasing my stuff. I have to constantly use more of it to make it work. I don't know. I love their sprays. I love their products. I love the way they smell, but just I ordered this last time and I really enjoyed it. I didn't have to work so hard to get all the grease out of my stuff, and it didn't have a smell, which my sister told me about Palmolive, and she's like, it's literally the best soap. It never makes your sponges stink. Gain is horrible, guys. They make your sponges smell horrific. So, but this doesn't do that. I love it. So I bought it again. And chips. Guys, you know the pack of chips that comes with, I think it's 18 pack, and it's like the bag. That thing is like it was literally $8.98. And then this one that brings 10 more chips, it was $1 more. This was $9.98. How crazy is that? Since when was that other pack that expensive? It used to be like $6 and some change, almost $7. Now, I mean, this is just crazy. But so obviously I'm going to just start buying this one. The better deal is from Sam's, but I just haven't been to Sam's in a while. So I have to go make a Sam's trip. But anyways, this is what I got for the boys. They really enjoy these. And I like that it has a little bit of everything, not a bunch of one that no one ends up liking. The only one that they end up leaving is probably the pretzels, but that's fine because I like pretzels. So anyways, so that is our grocery haul, our weekly grocery haul. This will do till next Monday. I think I spent like $115 or something silly. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and put all of this away. And you know what I didn't get? I didn't get fresh fruit, but it's because we had some and I still have some blueberries and stuff that I'm eating. So the only fruit I got was this. But anyways, all right, I'm gonna put all this stuff away. Alrighty guys, I hope that you enjoyed. You got some ideas of maybe things that you haven't tried and you can try. Feel free to try it. I stand by everything that I buy because I buy it every week. And guys, buy online food, like order on the app. It's literally the best thing. I don't walk into stores anymore. For what? When they give you free services. You order it, you pick it up, and it's beautiful. It's perfect. I love it. I wish this has been a thing since when the boys were little and I had twin boys and I couldn't do groceries unless my husband was home or somebody was helping me. Nightmare. Can you imagine if I had this back then? Oh, life-changing. Anyways, guys, order online. It's the best. Alrighty guys, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Love you guys. Bye.